well, we have our work cut out for us. We're going to start tearing up the flooring now.
I think I'm the only one excited for this.
Possible. Ready? Okay. Of an issue with hi Darth with the pigs and our neighbors again. The Mangas decided that they didn't like their new paddock. They'd rather crawl underneath the fence line and get to the neighbor's property where there's nice green manicured lawn and some gardens. So we just took care of that. I'll show you a little footage here. So it turns out the pigs made it into the neighbor's yard. Gotta figure out how. What are you piggies doing? What are you guys doing out here? Huh? Oh, come on. Show us where you went through. Where did you go through? You gotta show us. Yeah. I don't see a hole in the fence here. Hi. What are you guys doing? You guys are on the wrong side of the fence. Yeah. Wrong side of the fence. So they got under this little flap right here. That's crazy. All right.
It's just separated right there, so we'll have to put a board. They're
back home and covering themselves back up in the mud. One of them cut themselves while they were going underneath the fence. Eenie. Was it Eenie? Who's this? That's Meanie. So did Eenie roll? Okay, let's go put up a new fence. Since they went underneath the fence, we had to block off access to the fence with the poly wire. And then I had to trim it all down because it was too tall and it was going to short it all out. And when I started get all the brush down so it wouldn't short out the line, a thunderstorm rolled in. Thunder and lightning and rainstorm rolled in. So I did that. That was fun. So I got tons of poison ivy on me. Katie got poison ivy. I showered. She decided not to. So we're back at it. Let's go. One room done. Carpet and pad done. So here's where we stand so far. Yesterday, Katie and I went through all of the books that were in the back room, the bedroom, and the closet, and found some that we think are going to be worth trying to list online and potentially sell. The rest of us just donate. So we're going to put these books back up onto a shelf. We're going to organize them so we know which one we've been through. We need to get the potatoes out of that room, put them in a box, get them out of here so we can rip the carpet up. and we ordered ourselves a dumpster. This is a 20-yard dumpster. Currently it's empty. That'll be full hopefully in the next few days. I think we have this one for a week. And then we have a burn going. We're going to be burning a bunch of papers and workbooks and non-book books that have just been collected. So the previous owner of this house was a professor at a college nearby, and he has lots of grade books and papers and that kind of stuff that's just not worth anything to us or to anybody, so we're just going to burn it instead of hauling it away in the dumpster. So we have lots of work cut out for us. Oh, and let's go check out the carpet and stuff. Okay, so here is the hallway to the back room. We got most of it all ripped up. So we have lots of carpet ripped up, lots of the pad ripped up. There's still books back here that we need to get rid of and various stuff. So this stuff will all go. The furniture that we're not going to keep around, that's no use to us, that stuff will be taken to the local convenience center. You can drop off furniture there for free, which is nice, so we don't have to take up any room in the dumpster. Oh, that feels better. And so yeah, so we just have lots of moving around of trash to do. Oh, one more thing that we found out. So we were able to tear up the carpet fairly easy, you know, as easy as carpet is torn up, except for under this wall here and under this wall. And the carpet actually is underneath this wall. This wall was built on top of the carpet. So it looks like this room was carpeted and built, and then this dividing wall was put in at a later time. So that's awesome. Very excited about that.
Any suggestions of how to get it out?
Burn. Let's burn it.
I heard a ringing bell this morning, and it woke me from a dream. And in that dream I heard a warning, saying leave the rest, take only what you need. So keep on singing to those who listen, 'cause you can't make it on your own. Time goes slowly, the world gets lonely when you got no one on your side. You gotta love one another, sister and brother, 'cause you only got one bride. I heard the falling rain this evening, and it put me in a dream. And I got that old time feeling, a little rest is all you really need. So keep on singing to those who listen, 'cause you can't make it on your own. Time goes slowly, the world gets lonely when you got no one on your side.
hoping that you can hear me. So what I'm going to continue to work on is cleaning up this room where we've torn out the carpet and the what is it called? The padding, the carpet pad. Tearing up the tack strips for the carpet, sweeping, and getting rid of all the little staples on the ground, because we're going to be putting in a different type of flooring down. And then one of the things that needs to be done is, you can see this is the trim around the window, and he taped up all of the windows with a really thick plastic to help control the temperature in here. Well, this is really sticky stuff, and so I have to tear all this off and then probably use like Goo Gone or something to get all the tackiness off. So just a lot of cleaning in this room. Yeah, that's just a lot of cleaning. It smells so much better. I mean, it's still a little bit of a smell.
It's still a little musty, but
like the books have to go, that'll help. And then once I'm gonna do another spray of the disinfectant. That'll help.
And I think, well, we have the cleaner. Once I start cleaning, I mean, you can just see how dirty everything is. Mm-hmm. That'll make a big difference too.
Yeah, yeah, it's looking, oh, you get it, Winston. You get it. Okay, and bye-bye. Yeah, so, I didn't know what we wanted to do with that.
Donate it.
We're gonna donate that, okay.
Yep. We're gonna keep one of the desks that was in here, the smaller one, because I think I'll put like a little section, like a little desk or something there, like a little reading nook or office area, and then we'll donate this. And the majority of the books that we went through and that we donated, 90% of them were lecture books, like teacher's edition student books. Mm-hmm. German, Spanish, a couple different. So that's why we donated them. It's not stuff that we need or that we felt people would use when they were here. So we're donating all of those. And we still have 2 huge bookshelves in the closet to go through as well that we haven't went through from a book perspective. So many books.
Yeah, a lot of books.
A lot of books.
A lot of books. Lloyd, what do you think of this? What do you think of this craziness, huh? Do you remember being a puppy like this? Do you remember being a puppy like this? Youngsters these days, huh? Youngsters these days. We made pretty good progress today. I think we made pretty good progress today.
Yeah.
I don't think as much as we both wanted, but still pretty good. So we packed up a bunch of book cases and shelves and stuff in here. We'll be dropping these off at the convenience center tomorrow morning. We got some books back there in boxes, and those are going to go to a donation center. And then we only got a little bit. Actually, we got quite a bit in the dumpster. But we have lots of space left, so that's great. And then our burn pile is all burned and finishing off the last bit of it. My smokeless burn barrel is smoking like a crazy old man with a cigar pipe. So yeah, it's not quite a smokeless burn barrel, but that's because it's so full that it's not getting all of the air being sucked in from the bottom, so it's just kind of smoldering here. But burned a bunch of papers, so pretty good progress today. We're gonna call it for the night and then resume tomorrow afternoon after we drop stuff off in the morning, and then we have an event with a friend, and then we come back and we'll start tearing out some more carpet.
Woohoo! Exciting.